Alright, now I got wall number 3. They're not attached to each other, they're just locked or interlocked with the grooves. I gotta find a way after to glue that or nail it. But that's my third wall. I had just that one with the door and the window, and then I had the back door. And now last night I finished wall number 3, the back wall, and now I got the last wall here. Now I assembled my 4 walls together, and I still need to nail each piece there, or at least every second piece here, to hold the corners together. I nailed a little bit, but as you see, there, it's still loose. Now I'm ready to do my log cabin truss. I got all the pieces here cut out, and like the rest of this, I didn't take this from any plans. I'm just going by, as I'm going there, I'm figuring it out. So I'll just attach this one and then I'll show you a close-up after. So I noticed when I nailed the first one that the nails were coming out a little bit, and after a few I had to hammer it and bend it over. So now I just figured out something else. I'm nailing it right on the cement, so it's going to bend it on the top here right away, so I won't have to do everything twice. And it's just going to look like this, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to have a roof over it. So let's see how fast it goes this time. Alright, I got my 4 trusses ready to go. They're all painted, and the only reason well, they're more stain I should say than paint, is just to protect the wood. The only part I won't put any paint will be the floor of my cabin, because that's where the bird feed is going to be, so I don't want them to chew on paint. So now I'm ready to put up the roof, and I also have the cabin all stained, ready to go. Now I'm going to do this at the 2 end truss. I just cut some dowels, and I'll put all the size of that too later on my plan, and that's going to be what it looks like at the end of the roof or truss.